So, welcome to the 3D Printing Chronicles, where I just use a 3D printer to solve a lot of random issues that I have. In today's video, I'm not good at this, but in today's video, I'll solve a really troubling problem that I've been having since recent. So, my pants loop. Here's where I usually hang my keys from. It got a bit heavier since acquiring this little thing here. It's a key cover for my car keys. But it's metal, so it got really heavy. And I usually have my earpods as well, and some keys and a few emergency tools. So this is what my keychain usually looks like on a daily basis. It's quite weighty. I don't know if you realize, well, you might not be able to realize, but it is quite weighty. And so it's all hangs on this loop. That's a lot of weight to put on one loop, so I decided that I would make a pretty creative solution to solve this. I'm gonna try to create a belt clip to sit around the belt and to hang the keys from. Wish me luck. So this is what I came up with so far. As you can see, there's a little slot here. That's where the belt should go through. I made it kind of separated here, so just in case the belt is a bit thicker, so I kind of made it universal. It can actually go over. And up here is where you would hang the keys from. So you hang the keys. So first of all, you put the belt, this part on the belt, right? You hang the keys on here, so this is like a key ring, and this stays on your keychain, and you just slide this on, and that hooks on the side of your belt. So let's get this printed and see what this looks like. Alright, so about 20 minutes later, this isn't exactly what I was looking for. It's a bit... I think I might have made it a bit thin. So, as you can see, I mean, it's a pretty good proof of concept. It goes on to here, but I think we're gonna need to thicken this up and give inside of here more space. So I'm gonna have to increase the space that's in here just a little bit. Well, a lot of it, but increase that space. Thicken these side walls up, and let me get back to you when I made that design. Alright, so here is the redesign. I made it a little bit thicker. It didn't print so well. I might have to use some bed adhesion on the prints. But here we go. It's a little bit thicker. It has a lot more space on the insides. And let's see how it looks on the belt. So let's get the belt here. And let us just pull this down a little bit, put this guy over it, and there we go. Yeah, I might need some more space though. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need some more space on the inside here. Yeah, I might definitely need some more space on the inside. Another thing I noticed as well, I still made here a bit too thin. I might have to make this a little bit thicker, because I was taking out the supports, and this part just pretty much just snapped. So I'm gonna have to make up here a little bit thicker as well. But it's coming together. Again, if you saw my keyring before, it's a bit bigger than this. So I'm gonna have to make this little hole here a bit bigger as well. But here is the concept. I dropped it. Here is the concept. This goes onto the belt. And then, get this broken piece out of the way. This should just slide right on. And that should just hold your keys. So let's get to redesigning this, making it final. I'm gonna make this a little bit thicker. I'm gonna get this part a little bit thicker as well. This part here and this part here. And make it a bit bigger. See you in another, probably an hour and a half maybe. Alright, so this is what I hope is going to be the final design. So as you can see, it's significantly thicker. I've made everything thicker. I've put this little hook right here after the clip. I've made the space in here a little bit bigger. I made this hole a bit bigger. I made this entire thing a bit bigger. Up here, I put like a T. I've made it into like a little bit of a T. I am thinking of maybe putting some kind of logo or something here. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet with that empty space, but I might make it look a little bit more like a keychain, like a cooler keychain, something. I don't know. I'll figure out some design for that. So yeah, I've made everything significantly thicker. Oh, let me show you the inside of here that was breaking before. I made it quite thick. So I don't think this should break anymore when I remove those supports. So I'm not sure how long this is gonna take to print as yet. I'm gonna import it into what's this thing called again? Ultimaker Cura, and then I'll see how long it's gonna take. All right, so I've dropped it into Cura. So this is 100% infill, with supports on the inside of here, because it needs I put it on its side so it prints with less support. It does take a little bit more time to print this way though, but I wanted to use as little support as possible. So as you can see, it's significantly thicker on that inside lip. So I don't think this should break anymore, or at least I hope it won't break anymore. And this thing has 100% infill. I don't think it should break, period. But it's gonna take an hour and 4 minutes to print this one. So I'm hoping this one is the final. Is gonna be the final print, because I'm not planning to do this twice. So I'm gonna pull out black filament and print this, hoping it's gonna be final in black PLA. Wish me luck. So I don't have a ton of black PLA left, so this is really going to have to count as the final. I hope I don't run out. Oh, I also forgot to show the keychain part, the part that's going to actually be attached to the keys. That's going to be another 26 minutes. So in total, this should be like nearly a 2-hour print. So I'll see you in 2 hours then maybe. So I'm going to print the belt part first. So it's going to be 1 hour and 4 minutes. Now I'm hoping, so I'm printing without bed adhesion. See if I can hopefully save some filament. I don't have a whole lot of filament, especially this black one here, so trying to save as much filament as possible by printing without bed adhesion. Wish me luck. I hope it doesn't warp or bend or anything like that. So yeah, let's see. All right, and that is it. It's a bit harder to see the black one now because I don't want to be racist, but now it's black. So let's see. It's looking pretty good. Yeah. It printed the support inside of it. I'm gonna have to remove this, but it should now not break this side when I'm taking out the supports. So let's actually see how it fits over the belt. I have the pants here. I got the belt here. Let me see how it fits over the belt. Maybe I should just put it over like this. Oh, here we go. Did I make this a bit too tight? Oh, I forgot I had this the clip on, so it could go over. And then, oh my god. Okay, there we go. So it goes over. And then you can clip it down. Nice. That's literally the perfect size. So it doesn't move. It does move when it's clipped, which is good. So let me bring it up a little bit further and clip it in place. And there you go. That's looking good. That's looking really good. I'm gonna remove the support, and I'm gonna print the keychain part, and I'll be back when I finish printing that. So I removed the supports. There you go. I don't like how the bottom here looks, but that's just the consequence of having supports that are flat like that. But it does fit the way how I want it to now. And as you see, it's that little T shape right here. Kind of fills out the empty space now. But the only problem is, I just noticed the keyhole, the keychain hole is way too small. So I got to edit the file. It's a bit taller. and then print again. So that's another half an hour. All right, so here we go. A few hours later, this print didn't take hours, but yeah, a few hours later, and we got our print. As you can see, it's actually hanging from the key now. So let's get the belt. Here we go. And now we can look at that. Beautiful. And it feels very sturdy. So I'm actually gonna give it a live test tomorrow. Going to work tomorrow. So I'll have this on my belt the entire day, and let's see if this actually solves my issue. But it does look good, I must say. It's not too intrusive, it's not too large. It's kind of just, it looks normal, and pretty much my shirt is gonna cover most of this, so it should be fine. I like it a lot. You can put in your orders now.